What is good, YouTube? It's Structify here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can get infinite sprinting in Fortnite Creative map. So this is really simple. All you gotta do is follow my simple steps. So first, if you're on keyboard, press escape and then go to island settings. In here, you want to press player, and then in player, you want to go down to find locomotion. Locomotion might be off for you right here like this, but you got to turn it on. Then here you want to put energy max, keep it 100. Energy recharge amount, keep it 45, or you can even put it to 100, doesn't matter. And then this is the real one, energy recharge delay, put it to 0. And then you want to come down here, then allow sprinting, yes, turn it on, and then exit. Now, as you guys can see, I have infinite sprint. If this video helped you guys out, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you guys need any more help.